Mandy Lee Collection. Making your designs come to life. Our factory utilizes state-of-the-art equipment throughout to provide quality and consistency in every piece. Our success stems from using high-quality materials and proven processes that are beautiful and durable in the high-traffic hospitality industry. We take pride in our assembly processes for every item, from start to finish. Our meticulous attention to detail in the finishing process is not just a process but a testament to our unwavering commitment to delivering high-quality products. We don't just meet industry standards, we exceed them. Each case good and seating item undergoes rigorous quality control and testing to ensure they meet the highest standards in the hospitality industry. We carefully pack each item to protect them during the transportation and handling process. Follow us on social media and at mandyleecollection.com.